We've all been there, staring at a bottle, knowing we should say no, but still finding reasons not to. It is so incredibly easy to talk ourselves out of our journey to sobriety. It only takes 4 days to become 100% sober. I'll start tomorrow. I'm not that bad. I just needed to relax. The first step of any journey is recognizing that there's a step to be taken. Radically accepting the fact that alcohol is a poison, and if we continue practicing drinking alcohol the way an alcoholic would, we are setting ourselves up for an addiction or a dependency that feels almost exactly the same. Maybe it's as simple as you're just scared of change, afraid of failure, and you don't truly know what success feels like. And that's totally cool. Fear is human, but so is bravery. Courage doesn't exist without fear. It's not about talking ourselves into sobriety. It's about being honest with our relationship with alcohol. If it's not adding value to your life, it's simply adding drama to your life. It's about acknowledging our fears, not letting them control us. So the next time you find yourself talking yourself out of starting your sobriety journey, remember this: you have the power to choose. Choose bravery, choose change, choose recovery. And if you're watching this, your sobriety journey has already begun.